So I got back from Middle Fork, drove down, checked the mailbox. Jimmy the Fish had sent me something, so I unboxed that. Then my wife and I decided we'd go out and try our luck fishing at some places we hadn't been to. And on a tip from a fella I know, we come up in here and found this big beaver pond. So my wife's got a few bites, but haven't caught anything. But it's nice out here. Not a well-traveled place, that's for sure. Again, we're probably the first ones been back here in, I don't know, probably since last year sometime. Pretty place. We might come back here and camp. It'd be better if we could catch some fish. We're going to go up there and check out a small pond. See if there's anything hungry in that. Check out this beaver crossover. All the way down there. Get any bites?
No, but there's 6 flats right up there.
Get off the beaten path. Never know what you'll see. Look at that old car. Got the old suicide doors on it. Not sure what make or model. Get down there and get a better look. Maybe some of you car enthusiasts can tell me, but this is way up here above that beaver pond at their second dam. Not a lot of activity in here, but they don't come to these until later in the year. But let me get down here and have a look at this thing. So there's the back of that critter. So maybe somebody can tell me by the taillight frames or maybe that bumper what kind of car that is. I'll go up and around and see if I can get the front end. Obviously that floated down this branch here at some point, and then the beavers dammed this up and flooded it. But back in the 70s there was a family that lived up in here, but that car is much older than that. This is Kate's branch. So the family that lived up here, they lived without electricity in an old mobile home, but pretty sure this wasn't their vehicle, so could have been somebody else way back. Maybe the thing quit running and they just left it set, and then years later it washed down here or something. But let me go up on the other end, see if we can get a better look at it. There's the grill. So I'm sure somebody can tell me what that is. I have no idea. I'm not even going to make a guess. I don't know that much about cars, but that's weird. Somebody might have run moonshine in that old thing. That's pretty wild. I've been up in this holler and it was years ago. I don't remember seeing that old vehicle. Yep. I want to get out of here and see if my wife's caught any fish. Oh, by the way, we're like, shoot, I don't know, 10 miles from the house or something. And we rode over here on the ATV, so we're going to cross back through the hills. Maybe I'll get some footage of that, so see you in a bit. Sorry folks, I couldn't leave without getting one more shot of this thing. Just amazes me how well built these things used to be. That chrome has held up all these years. Newer vehicle would have been rusted to you know what by now. Oh boy, that's awesome. Well, we found our bear track. Wasn't in Middle Fork. It's Back here on the number 4 job, old strip mine. Decent sized print. Would you quit making a racket back here? Better turn this off, my wife's getting ready to slap me. And there's another one, probably the same bear. People got some cattle pastured back here. There's the way we came. There's the way we're going. Onward. Hello, Mr. Cottontail. He's not budging. I figured he'd run off by now. We gotta go, buddy. It's like, well, go on, I ain't bothering you. Extreme close-up. Hello. Cute little feller. Yep, we better go. Hey folks. We're about to the end of our journey, so cheers. Catch you later.